If you want to insulate your home or workplace against heat loss and noise with low-cost secondary glazing, Easyfix have a wide range of options. These are rigid or flexible, static or sliding, use glass, film or plastic sheet, are fixed by sticky tape, screws, magnets or hinges, and there are colour and cosmetic choices. This video goes through them briefly, showing how each works and achieves all of these finished effects. You can then look at any of them in detail on secondarydiyglazing.com to find the most suitable for your windows. Trackglaze Horizontal offers the convenience of slide-to-the-side windows that can be left open. Self-adhesive double tracks attached to all sides of the window cavity. Bristle seal is stuck to all edges of the sheets to insulate every part of the frame when closed. Angle handles are stuck to the sheets to give instant access to the outer windows at any time. Trackglaze Vertical allows up and down sliding of the secondary panes within a cavity. This allows access to the top and bottom of the outer window for ventilation. Bristle seal insulates all sides of the tracks, plus the join between the panes. Each pane has a handle, top and bottom, and they are propped and kept in position using stop strips. Magnetglaze is a simple magnetic system with self-adhesive magnetic and metal strips, the magnet being attached to the pane and the steel to the window surround. Its modest appearance can be greatly enhanced by Magnetglaze finishing trim, a self-adhesive strip that's easy to mitre. Magnetglaze Extreme is very similar to Magnetglaze, using magnetic and metal strips, but these are 25mm wide, offering aggressive grip for large heavy panes and very drafty outer windows. The system also has an extra wide finishing trim for smarter appearance. Magnetglaze Pro is a smart, rigid system that can be mitered, which fixes to the window frame using magnets attached to a PVC capping channel that pushes onto the sheet edges. It gives a framed, professional appearance. Pro Extreme is a larger version of Magnetglaze Pro with 25mm wide magnets and steel for significantly more grip. It provides a smart framing capping for use on very large or drafty windows. Magnetglaze Sash Heavy Duty is an add-on to the full range of magnetic glazing systems, allowing horizontal jointing of the panels with an insulated rigid joint. Suitable for sash windows, it allows easy access for ventilation. Hingeglaze uses strong stainless steel hinges, the popular Magnetglaze Extreme edging system, plus 4mm polycarbonate sheet to provide convenient, comprehensive and attractive insulation panels for windows of almost any size. The Hingeglaze panes will open up to 145 degrees for access and ventilation and can be smartened using our wide finishing trim. Superglaze is a rigid system that can be accurately mitered for a smart framed appearance. It has two parts, the bottom having a fixing channel for screws and a tapered channel for the edge of the glass or plastic sheet. A push-fit cover hides the screws. Clip glaze has been manufactured by Tubeway continuously for over 55 years. It comprises flexible capping for the sheet edge, pinned to the window surround by turnbutton clips. The finished panels can be easily removed and replaced. The flexible edging strip is easy to cut accurately, and the strip, clips, screws and mitre gauges can be bought in kits or separately. Easyfix offers a smart mitred finish on a self-adhesive frame. Attach the base to the window surround, lay the cut plastic sheet in and snap in the top cover. Filmglaze is quick, inexpensive and unobtrusive, comprising double-sided tape and a special thermal film that shrinks to fit using a hairdryer. The easy installation is best illustrated by the video on our websites. Each of these systems can be partly or wholly removed in summer for ventilation or cleaning. See secondarydiyglazing.com for comprehensive details of all of these products. Each has an installation video, downloadable PDF fitting instructions and full pack and pricing information. You can buy them along with cut to size polycarbonate sheet in different thicknesses and with useful accessories. Remember to draft proof your windows first. Why not also check out the comprehensive Easyfix Draft Excluder range, also detailed on secondarydiyglazing.com. We hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.